This is part 2 of the video in which we were designing this structure using Weldments and SolidWorks. If you missed the previous part, I will strongly suggest you to watch that video first. Let's start. Okay, so we were done with the extruded boss. Now select this end cap. In parameters, select this surface. 5 mm is okay, and thickness ratio of 0.5 mm is also fine. Select fillet and change 3 to 5 mm. Still the fillet is not good enough. Select 10 mm and now it's looking perfect. Okay. Now we are done with the end cap and let's make gusset. Select gusset. Supporting faces, select this one and this face. And let me show you the gusset. This yellow colored is the gusset. Select this parameter as 100. The other side is 100 as well. Select this as 20. Rather select 25 mm. It's looking better. You can locate this gusset. It's fine at the middle. Click OK. Now the next is weld bead. Select this face. Click here and select this face, and the bead will be here. Now 5 mm is okay. Select this option, both sides. Select this option and starting point is 10 mm. You can see it will start from here, and length is 50 mm. So welding length, weld bead length is 50 mm and it will start from 10 mm. It's hidden, but don't worry. Click here on view, hide and show, and select weld bead. Yes, now it's appeared. And since we have selected both sides, let me show you the second side. Okay, so let's apply weld bead here. Select weld bead, this surface, and then the second surface is this. Okay, both sides. Yes, you can see the weld bead. Okay, let's mirror entities. Select mirror command and select here front plane. Okay, so we will select this option, bodies to mirror. Okay, select this, select these bodies, the extruded boss as well. Okay, it's mirrored. And let's mirror again. This time select right plane. Okay, let me show you. If you select feature to mirror, it will not mirror. Okay, so delete here and select bodies to mirror. Now it's mirrored. Okay, select all of these, the end cap, the extruded boss that we have just made. Click OK. Now it's mirrored properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.